Hola everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is special day. So I'm going to make chicken chive dumpling. So with few ingredients you can make delicious dumpling. So let's get started. These are all ingredients that we need. First, we need 75 grams or 5 tablespoons of chicken ground. You can use turkey ground as well, but the taste might be different. Then the sauce mix, I use 3 ingredients here. First, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of white pepper or you can use black pepper. And then mix it together. Then I have the wonton skin. You can use any brands for wonton skins. I use siomai wrappers here because I ran out of wonton skin. I would recommend use the good quality one so it won't easily tear up. The last one is chive. Please don't replace it with green onion because it's already tastes different. I already cut into small pieces. I only want to show before and after getting cut. You only need 10 small stems of chive. In some countries, they call it kuchai from Chinese words. First, I will mix chicken ground with the sauce mix. So I will mix everything here. Make sure you mix it well so the sauce will be blended together with the chicken ground. The taste is perfect. It won't be too salty because we are going to boil it and it will reduce the saltiness of the dumplings. Then add chive, mix all together, make sure it is mixed well. First, get the wonton skin. Add 2 teaspoons of the fillings to the wonton. Make sure it is center. Make sure you have more space to glue the skin and shape it like wonton. Using your point and middle finger, tap the water into the edge of skin. You can use any clean water or drinking water. Make sure all of the edges are covered with the water. Then stick the edge together to make the triangle shape. Squeeze for a bit, not much. And put water again on the edge of triangle. Be careful not to put more pressure to it. Some wonton skins are too thin and it will break easily. Just make it like that or any kinds of shapes that you want. I will show you one more. I would recommend to buy the medium or high quality of wonton skin. So the boiling water is ready. Also, I prepare the noodle as a main dish. Yeah, basically noodle and wonton are best friends, but you can also eat wonton with other main dishes. I will put one by one to the boiling water and cook it for 5 minutes. Make sure that you put more water to the pan so the heat will be distributed to whole skin and fillings. It will cook well. Don't put less water when it comes to boil the dumplings. You can also fry the dumpling if you would like to. For me, I like the healthier version of it without oil.
5 minutes later.
So yeah, the wonton is almost done. Tips is, if you see the wonton goes to the surface of water, that means the wonton is done. Using your sieve, take all them out to the plate or bowl. Oh, that looks delicious. Some of my wonton skins are tear up. Hoo hoo hoo. Here you go, you can also eat the soup. It tastes delicious. You just need to add little bit of mushroom powder or MSG to it. With the dumplings, you can dip it in the soy sauce or eat it with a noodle. I cannot wait to eat it, so try it and let me know if you like it. Thanks for watching. If you cook this dumpling, feel free to tag me on Instagram. See ya in the next video.